What is 30% of 150? We are live at the University of Lagos. And today, we have 50,000 naira for students who will participate and answer questions in our math competition brought to you by Math and Why. Alright guys, this is the first phase of the competition, and here with me I have
Daniel.
Okay, Mr. Daniel, this 10,000 naira could be yours if you are able to answer 10 questions in 90 seconds. Remember, you are running against the clock, and for every question you get 1,000 naira, okay? If you cannot calculate any question within the time frame, please skip. Your time starts now. What is 25% of 80?
20.
Okay, correct. What is 14 times 5?
90.
Okay, that's wrong. What is 100 divided by 4?
25.
Okay, correct. What is, in this series, 2, 6, 12, 20, what comes next? 2, 6, 12, and 20.
32.
That's wrong. Next one, what is 63 minus 19?
44.
Okay, correct. What is 11 times 11?
1 to 1.
Okay, what is 30% of 150?
37. 45.
Okay, correct. What is 48 plus 36?
48 plus 32. 84.
Okay, correct. What is 7 times 13?
7 times 91.
Okay, 144 divided by 12.
12.
Okay, in the series 9, 18, and 36, what comes next?
45.
That's wrong. What is 17 plus 28?
17 plus 25.
That's wrong.
45.
45, okay, that's correct. We'll take that. What is 50 minus 10 plus 5 in a bracket? 10 plus 5 is in a bracket. 50 minus 10 plus 5 in a bracket.
35.
Okay, that's correct. Time up. Okay, Mr. Daniel, congratulations. You answered 10 questions in 90 seconds. Okay, so you have won 10,000 naira. Okay, thank you very much for coming to Math and Why. Make sure you subscribe to Math and Why. Our channel is Math and Why, okay? Math and Why on YouTube, yes. Follow us on TikTok and on Instagram. Thank you very much for coming. Bye. Alright, I'm here with Alright, and Epsiba is about to walk home with 10,000 naira today if you are able to answer 10 questions within 90 seconds. Okay, take note, you are running against the time, and if you don't know how to answer a question, please skip. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, question 1. What is 12 plus 8?
20.
10% of 200?
10% of 200, that's
Incorrect. 7 times 6?
7 times 6, 42.
Okay, correct. 25 minus 9?
25 minus 9, that's 16.
Correct. What is 50 divided by 5?
10.
Okay, correct. In the series 2, 4, 6, what comes next?
2, 4, 6, that's 8.
Okay, correct. What is 15 plus 7?
That's 22.
22 is correct. What is 20% of 90?
20% of 90 plus 18.
18, that's correct. What is 81 divided by 9?
9.
Okay, that's correct. What is 36 divided by 6?
6.
Okay, what is 5 multiplied by 5?
25.
Okay, in the series 3, 6, 12, what comes next?
15.
Okay, that's incorrect. What is 40% of 50?
40% of 50. Skip.
Skip, okay. What is 8 times 7?
8 times 7, that's 56.
56 is correct. What is 1 plus 2 times 3?
1 plus 2 times 3 times 3, that's 9.
That's incorrect.
1 plus 2
Times 3 is
that's
incorrect.
9.
Okay, time up.
1 plus 2. That's 3. 3
Board
times
maths,
3,
you
that's
do
9.
multiplication.
Oh
before
my
you do
god,
addition.
I forgot.
Alright, congratulations, Epsiba. You were able to answer more than 10 questions. You were able to answer exactly 11 questions within 90 seconds. And so we are going to be giving you, instead of 10K, we're going to be giving you 11 questions, as we have said, 1K per question for answering our questions. Thank you very much for coming. Please do subscribe to Math and Why, okay, and tell your friends to tell their friends, okay? Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright, I'm here with
Testimony.
Okay, Testimony. Have you heard about Math and Why?
Yeah, of course.
Are you a subscriber?
Yeah.
You're a subscriber. Let me see.
Oh, okay. Testimony is a subscriber. Okay, testimony. I'm gonna do this for you because you're a subscriber to Matter Why. You already have 2,000 naira. So whatever you win, okay, I think you should be excited about that. Yes. Okay, because whatever you win, okay, and this is the rule of this competition. Yeah. So you have 90 seconds to answer 10 questions correctly. Okay. Remember, you're running against time. If you do not know the answer to the question, skip.
Your time starts now.
Okay.
First question, what is 25% of 80?
That should be 40.
Oh, wrong. What is 14 times 5?
40 times 5, that's 70.
Correct. What is 100 divided by 4?
25.
Correct. In the series 2, 6, 12, 20, what comes next?
30.
Correct. What is 63 minus 19?
63 minus 56.
That's not correct. What is 11 times 11?
121.
Correct. What is 30% of 150?
That should be skip.
Okay. What is 48 plus 36?
48 plus 36, that's skip please.
Okay. What is 7 times 13?
7 times 13, that's so skip.
Okay. What is 144 divided by 12?
So
Okay. In the series 9, 18, and 36, what comes next?
42.
Okay, that's wrong. What is 17 plus 28?
17 plus 20, that's 95.
Okay, that's wrong. What is 8 times 9?
56.
Oh, okay, that's wrong. What is 121 divided by 11?
11.
11, that's correct. What is in the series 5, 10, 20, 40? What comes next? 5, 10,
Okay,
20,
5,
40,
10,
20, 40. What comes next?
that should be 50.
Okay, that's wrong. Okay, your time is up. All right, congratulations. Testimony, you got 6 questions correctly. That's a very nice one. Good job.
Thank
Okay,
you.
and since we promised that we're going to give you 2K extra, because you're a subscriber, and so now you're going to get 8,000 naira. So allow me to remove 2K from this. Okay. Okay. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
for
Thank
participating.
you.
Please tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends about Matter and Why, to subscribe to Matter and Why. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. We have come to the end of today's show. We cannot finish due to some technical issues. You know this is the best time to subscribe to Matter and Why. Yes. If you want us to be in your school, put your institution name in the comment section. See you in the next show. Bye.